Got my multi-angle drill guide here. It's a really nice gadget. What I do is I'm putting a 45-degree angle. I'm repairing some fences here, so 45-degree angle for my drill bits. All you have to do is just line it up. It gives you a little indicator here. Line it up where you want your drill. Then I'm going to put a little clamp here just to hold it on, just to hold it in place. Okay, now I got my drill. I'm ready to go. I got it all in place. I got it all lined up. Now I'm just going to do my drilling. All it is a guide. It's got a 45, 90-degree angle and a 30-degree angle that's here. I'm using the 45. And there it is. I got my first drill in place, drill hole in place. I'm ready to do my second one. I'm just going to line it up here. It's a good spot for it. I'm going to put my clamp on. And I'm going to start drilling. And it's done. Handy dandy. I've got a nice 45-degree angle in there. That's going to go into my 4x4 plate. You got to get one of these if you're doing some handiwork around the house. And again, it has the 45, the 90-degree, and the 30-degree angle for drilling. That's a 90, that's a 45, and that's a 30.